Yes, we told that here all the animals were passing through the forest and also by streams. Streams are nothing but the water bodies, small water bodies, and also over grasslands. Grasslands are nothing but a piece of lands covered with grass and joined by animals both humble and grand. Means the animals who have joined the small and big animals, they have joined to and are ready to go through march and take up a firm stand. Firm stand is to make a strong stand there. They assembled near a city, each one dazed, each one now was completely dismayed, each one aghast at their decision, amazed, each one now terrified and afraid. Please underline the words dazed, aghast. Here, dazed is nothing but unable to think or react properly, and aghast is shock filled with horror. Okay, here everyone they have all gathered and assembled near a city, and they are dazed. Dazed is to unable to think or react properly, and also you have given dismayed is nothing but sad and upset. They are in a upset way and are in disappointed way. Everyone here, each and everyone are in shock that how the animals came to the city, and they are holding the posters to explain something to the humans. Everybody are shocked. Now, how had they conjured up a plan so brave that could easily take them to the grave? Squeaked the lowly mouse. Your attention I crave. Why stop and wait when there are souls to save? Yes, here the mouse in a low voice it is telling that we are such a brave that we know that if any problem we have to face, that we have to go to the grave, we are putting our lives against, and but still we are going through the march to say some to tell our decisions about the forest. A fire, they marched on. They were so near, their posters aloft, saying loud and clear, if you value this planet and all that's dear, you will stop all destruction and remove all fear. Yes, here all the animals on the march were clearly shouting and telling the posters that do not destroy our homes, live and let us live, and also save our forests, and also they are explaining that save the earth and the earth will save us. If we save the earth, then we have the better future. The men, the women, the young, the old, mouths agape at a sight to behold. Never had such a story been told, never had animals been so bold. Yes, now the people, the men, the women, and the young and the old, all the people, humans around the cities were surprised that the animals doing the march holding the posters, and this was never before seen. This was the first time here animals are so brave marching in the cities. Let us, said humankind, all say, take a pledge and solemnly pray to save our earth and all on it that stay, and wake each morn to a better day. Yes, now after seeing all this, the humans have now taken a pledge solemnly. Solemnly is nothing but sincerely. They are praying to save the earth and also to save all the living beings on the earth for the better future. That's the poem, The March of the Animals, had completed successfully. And now, children, please go through page number 8. The meanings, understanding what we do, go through the meanings and please find out the meanings with your parents' support. Thank you.